you want him to do is come straight up on this and then turn.
Like as soon as he gets over the tire, have him turn this way?
Yes, and then turn. Turn harder.
Harder.
Right there, right there. That's all right. Okay, stop. Have him come straight forward.
Straighten her out! Straight forward.
Now
Your rear disc caught on the tire.
Yeah, and you're picking up.
And you move the pipe. You rearrange the obstacle course. Back it up. If he gets enough speed, he might be able to even
Don't want you to. That's when you start fucking things up.
Alright, so what do you think?
You're gonna have
Your
to
rear disc was sitting on that tire, that's all.
Hey, no, it's okay. You can show you how it's gonna go. Make good tire. Yeah.
Didn't look like it did any damage to mine.
Like that wall.
You made it ground your A-arm up a little bit.
Yeah, I saw it, but there's a skid plate there welded on. So.
Oh, is there? Okay,
Yeah,
good.
So.
Because yeah, you came down on it right on that.
Take a second, you're hitting your pumpkin. I go, oh my god, I don't hit the pumpkin.
Then the pumpkin cleared, but then you were just grinding your A-arm right across the top of that.
So tell him to turn passenger.
Alright, turn passenger.
Didn't look like it really did much.
Come forward.
Just good fun, metal to metal.
Turn more passenger.
There you go.
There you go. Keep driving forward. There you go. Come forward. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Move to your right, Gary.
Lock your front end.
That's good, thanks.
Okay.
Just so that I could slide right a little.
Right here, he can turn this way and basically go like this.
Alright.
Right back. Okay.
Alright.
Well, there you go.
Come forward, turn driver. Turn passenger.
Ask him if he's got his axles locked.
You're way too far that way.
Hey, Ro, are you locked?
Turn driver. Back up.
Got a lot of room. Back up some more. Stop right there.
Good.
Hard passenger. When you say hard,
Hard
you
passenger.
you know how much money you got to put into them to do that?
Alright, forward.
You're always breaking. There you go.
There you go.
Make her roll until the back tires are up on that one, and then make it come back this way.
Keep going forward. Passenger. Alright, straighten her out.
Okay.
Come forward.
Stop right there. What you just did is back both tires in the back meet up on this one. He's not going to get the traction. You kind of needed him to that way, so this tire meets up first, climbs over, and then you turn.
So here's the other tire.
Yeah, I see. Give it a try. Go ahead and try right now.
Give it a try. Just go straight. Both tires are joined up right now.
Watch it, because if he slips, it's going to just
Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Stop.
Hold on. Okay, you're going to back him up with him turning driver. So he's going to go like this. You're going to turn him this way. And you're going to want this tire to literally be right here. Before he actually, yeah. Okay. You want it over here, and then when he actually clears that thing, then you're going to turn him. And then his driver tire is just like his. He's going to come right here.
So have him back up, turn driver back up, then go forward, turn passenger?
Yeah.
Alright.
So in that line, just back up.
Keep going backwards. Alright, turn hard passenger.
I can see the hydraulic steering.
Hard passenger.
Come back more so you can turn back.
Oh, yeah.
Right there.
Hard
Stop,
passenger.
stop.
Okay, now you want him to, like I said, bring him over there.
bring him over. Hard passenger. Hard passenger. Craig.
Ideally, what you're gonna do is
Come
grab
forward.
your tire, climb that first, and then you can make them turn this way.
Okay.
That's good right
Come
there.
forward.
That's perfect. Gonna walk that line. He's gonna climb.
There you go. Keep going forward.
I'm gonna straighten out.
Straighten out.
No! Stop! That's just your muffler.
You're good. I don't think you can go forward anymore.
No, you can't.
Yeah,
You're gonna
back.
hit your
Yeah. Back up. Stop.
whoa, 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 whoa.
Stop. All right.
Okay, what I need you to do is turn driver, come forward.
His tire's right where you wanted it to be, on this side.
Yeah, you dropped off on that other side.
Yeah.
Come forward, turn driver. Yeah, come on up,
There you go.
Okay, stop. Now turn passenger, hard. And then back up completely passenger. Launch it, something, just make sure it doesn't get hung up on the lip of that tire back there.
Stop.
No, you're good. Keep going, do that.
Back past that tire?
No, watch it. You see his other tire? You got a lot of room now. Come all the way back if you want to. Then again, we're going to make you come over here again. And just try it again. Because you spin all the way back over there. Try it again. This time, not going to hit anything. Okay. You're into it.
Harder than actually driving.
The bad thing about if you fuck up on spotting,
It's on, yeah. All right, turn passenger. Hard passenger. No. There you go. There you go. Keep going forward. Nope. Nope.
okay. You got good pace.
Yeah.
No, he's on the knuckle ball now.
All right. Hard passenger and forward. There you go.
You were sitting on it right there.
You heard something about a bolt. All right, keep going forward. Yeah, he's sliding. Driver, turn driver.
Well, back up before you start.
That's hard.
And you're going to come up on this road right
You
here.
want to hit something? Way harder than that. Yeah.
Let's go back, straight back, straight back. Keep going back, off the road. Okay.
Alright, so I want.
No, back up.
Damn, that's hard.